Once upon a time, in a lush green forest, lived a tiny creature named Loris. Loris was not like the other animals. He was small and furry, with big round eyes and a bushy tail. Loris was shy and loved to stay hidden in the trees, but he was also very kind. He loved to help others, even if it meant putting himself at risk. One day, a heavy storm hit the forest. The rain poured down, and the wind howled through the trees. Loris was scared, but he knew he had to help. He saw a small bird, perched on a branch, shivering from the cold. Loris climbed down from his tree and carefully approached the bird. He found a warm, dry leaf and placed it gently over the bird, keeping it safe from the storm. Next, he noticed a baby rabbit, huddled under a bush, soaking wet and shivering. Loris found a small pile of dry leaves and placed them carefully over the baby rabbit, keeping it warm and dry. As the storm raged on, Loris continued to help his forest friends. He found a squirrel whose nut had been washed away and shared his own food with him. He helped a baby deer who had lost her way back to her mother. By the time the storm had passed, Loris was exhausted but happy. He had helped so many of his forest friends, and they were all safe and warm. From that day on, Loris was no longer shy. He was known throughout the forest as the kindest and bravest creature. He may have been small, but he had a big heart, and he was always there to help. So, if you ever find yourself in a storm, remember the story of Loris. Never be afraid to help others, even if it means putting yourself at risk. For in helping others, you will find that your own heart will grow bigger, just like Loris. And as you drift off to sleep, remember the words of Loris: always be kind, always be brave, and always help others, for a small act of kindness can make a big difference in the world. Good night.